You spend a meaningless day without really completing any tasks. You plan out everything to work hard starting next week. But you push back your responsibilities a day or two and ultimately procrastinate. Then what should you do? The answer is already here. SuperIcon. You would ask why? Self-management essence platform that never existed before. No need to describe. With a personalized life managing system that we developed with 16 years of endeavor about what you should know, learn, think, and to take action. It teaches you the essence, quick and easy. With the AI life consulting system, you can receive consultation about your precious life whenever and wherever. Even so, wouldn't it tell you the obvious and apparent words? We have personal customizing system based on AI and big data, and also have AI mentoring system you can communicate with global users. You can ask and answer each other in live about fields you're curious about or want to study more. We've received patents and even globally published books. Wow, bravo! Do you know what our mission is? We brighten the world for everyone's success and happiness. Do you want to be different now? We're waiting for you at the SuperIcon.